Profit Pepe. Let's check out and see how much Pepe is worth in your wallet right now. We're sitting at $3.2 billion. And if you have any of these amounts, less or more, you're still feeling excited because by looking at CoinGecko, we're looking at $3.5 billion. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's break down the captain spreadsheet right now. Profit Pepe. Now, once this gets to $7.2 billion market cap, that's 60 million. It'll be now worth $1,000 in terms of value, up from 463. You follow my drift? Then let's go continue. 35 billion and $114 billion. This is how much it could be worth. It's not financial advice. It's just showing you what it could be worth in terms of your Pepe. So if you earn this much of Pepe, all right, gets to $35 billion market cap, projected price that you see, $85,000. And that's up from what, 7,000, 17,000, 85, and $273,000. Now, this is just the estimated market cap. Look and see where you are positioned at, because during the bull run, we could be seeing these type of numbers, because right now it's 3 billion. In the future, it can hit some of these as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Listen, if you own that 273 billion, but check it out. Look at this number, looking at $2.7 million. That's right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.